Welcome friends. In this tutorial, we will learn about merge sort and quick sort. Merge sort. It applies divide and conquer to the sorting problem. The problem is given n elements, sort elements into non-decreasing order. Now what is divide and conquer? If n equal to 1, then terminate. So every one element list is already sorted. If n greater than 1, partition the elements into two or more sub-collections, sort each and combine into a single sorted list. So how do we partition? First, n-1 elements into set A, last element set B. Sort A using this partitioning scheme recursively, so B is already sorted. Combine A and B using method insert equal to insertion into sorted array. Leads to recursive version of insertion sort. The number of comparisons are O n square, and the best case equal to n-1. The worst case is C into summation of I from 2 to n, that is equal to n-1 by 2. Put the element with the largest key in B, remaining elements in A, and sort A recursively. To combine sorted A and B, append B to sorted A. Use max function to find the largest element and recursive selection sort. Use bubbling process to find and move largest element to rightmost position. Use recursive bubble sort. Let's try to achieve balanced partitioning. A gets n by 2 elements and B gets rest half. Sort A and B recursively. Combine sorted A and B using a process called merge, which combines two sorted lists into one. Let us see an example. Here we have a list that contains 10, 4, 6, 3, 8, 2, 5 and 7. These elements are to be sorted. So first the partition occurs and it is divided into two parts. That is, one partition contains 10, 4, 6 and 3 and the other contains 8, 2, 5 and 7. The first partition is further divided into two partitions and again further. Now after partition takes place, the merging is to be performed. So the elements are returned in sorting order. Elements 4, 10 are sorted and the sorted list is returned. Similarly, elements 3, 6, 2, 8, 5, 7 are sorted internally and are returned back. After that, again the merging takes place, and so we are left with two partitions which are sorted, and at the end they are both merged into the main array, and so we get the sorted list. In the next tutorial, we will talk about quicksort and the algorithm.